Welcome SYBSC student. Today we will discuss on some theorems and examples on the basis of order of an element. Theorem: let G be a group. If it is group, therefore it satisfies four properties: binary operation, associativity, identity law, inverse law. Let G be a group and AB belongs to G. It is given. Prove that order of AB is equal to order of BA. Proof of this theorem: we have AB is equal to, we write here B into B inverse into B. What is B inverse into B? That is the identity. Identity into AB, that is AB again. Therefore, identity, that is B inverse into B by definition of inverse law. AB is equal to, by associative law, B into A, B inverse in bracket BA into B. By associative law in bracket BA into B. Therefore, order of AB is equal to order of B inverse BA into B. By previous theorem, order of A is equal to order of B inverse AB. Here A, instead of A, here AB. Here AB. Therefore, order of AB is equal to, using this theorem, order of B inverse AB is order of A. Similarly, here order of B inverse BA into B is equal to order of B. Example: if in a group G every element is its own inverse, then prove that G is an abelian group. We know that G is equal to, suppose 1 and minus 1. It is the group with respect to multiplication. Inverse of 1 is 1. Inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Let AB belongs to G means 1 and minus 1 belongs to G. 1 into minus 1 also belongs to G. Every element has self-inverse. It is given. Therefore, A is equal to A inverse, B is equal to B inverse, and similarly AB belongs to G. G is a group, it satisfies the closure law, that is the binary operation. AB belongs to G implies A into B also belongs to G. If AB also element of G, and in G every element has its own inverse. Therefore, AB also element of G, therefore AB inverse is equal to AB. Now, AB is equal to AB inverse. implies AB is equal to, by reversal law, B inverse into A inverse. Implies AB is equal to BA. How? Because B inverse is equal to B, A inverse is equal to A. Implies AB is equal to BA means G is an abelian group. Next example, show that a group G is an abelian group if and only if AB square is equal to A square into B square for all AB belongs to G. Solution: let G be an abelian group and AB belongs to G. If G is abelian means it satisfies binary operation, associativity, identity, inverse, as well as commutative law. That is, AB is equal to BA. If it is abelian, therefore AB is equal to BA. Suppose this is equation 1. Now, in bracket AB square is equal to, by law of indices, AB into AB. By associative law is equal to A in bracket B, again in bracket AB, bracket complete. Again by associative law is equal to A into, in bracket, by associative law BA into B is equal to A into, in bracket, we know that G is abelian group, it is given. Therefore, BA is equal to what? AB, here from equation 1. Into B. Therefore, A into A, B into B here. By law of indices, A square into B square. Therefore, AB square is equal to A square into B square. Conversely, suppose that AB square is equal to A square into B square for all AB belongs to G. Therefore, by law of indices, AB square is equal to what? AB into AB. Again here, by law of indices, A square, that is A into A, B square, that is B into B. By associative law, A, B into B in B into, in bracket AB, bracket complete, is equal to A into, in bracket B into B. By left cancellation law, A get cancelled. Because G is a group, it satisfies the inverse law, pre-multiplying both sides by A inverse. A get cancelled. Therefore, BAB is equal to A into BB. By associative law, B into AB, that is BA into B. By associative law, A into BB, that is AB into B. By right cancellation law, BB get cancelled, BA is equal to AB. Hence, G is an abelian group. It's okay, we stop here.